Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa.
Hey y'all, I'm back at home with Lisa. Thank you all so much for tuning in on today, day 5 of 12 days of Blessedmas. Thank you all so much for tuning in and rocking with At Home with Lisa, Design with Emma, and Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. Y'all, how y'all like my little jams today? I am comfy on day 5, y'all. Yes. And then this is what my feet looking like. So this is my OOTD outfit of the day for this video. All right, y'all, so 12 days of Blessedmas is going really well. I must say that me and my family have been blessed dearly, and we are so thankful and we are so grateful. If you haven't thanked God today, go ahead and thank Him. Even if today didn't go the way that you planned it to go, just go ahead and thank Him because He blessed you to wake up this morning and let you be on your way. So just thank Him in advance. If you prayed for something and you have not received it yet, or God has not gotten back with you yet, just be patient. But still thank Him for the good, the bad, and the ugly, y'all. We just have to thank Him, because He is the reason for this season. Yes. So y'all, day 5. This is day 5. And on today, we're going to be DIYing a poinsettia, okay? So we're going to be doing a poinsettia arrangement. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing a poinsettia arrangement. And if this is your first time here, welcome. So happy to have you here with At Home with Lisa. Also, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and click on that subscribe button because we want you here. We don't want you to miss out on anything. And if you're returning, welcome back. Hey y'all, hey! We're so happy to have you guys, and we can't do this without you all. So thank y'all so much from the bottom of my heart. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. And y'all don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget, y'all, try to be in the premieres because on day 12, we're doing cash giveaways. I can't stress that enough. All right, love bugs. So this is the vase I'm going to be using. It is so cute. I like it. I love the distressed look that it portrays here. And it's like not a snow white color. It kind of almost looks like a gray, but it's like a off-white. It's not a cream either, okay? So this is the container we're going to be using to create our poinsettia arrangement. Okay, so first what I want to do is I want to add some bags down in the bottom. That's just to be able to let the florals not float, if you know what I mean. Because if I don't put the bags in there, they're just going to be going side to side. And I want to try to stop that by putting the bags in here. And yeah, y'all see my Target bags. Yep, I've been shopping at Target. Yep, I need to stay out of there. Have y'all started your Christmas shopping yet? Do y'all have y'all Christmas tree up yet? So sometimes what I do in this case too, when I don't use the bags, the plastic bags, I use either a round styrofoam or I use the square styrofoam to put in the bottom if I want to stick the florals down in there. But in this arrangement, I'm just using the plastic bags, okay? So yeah, y'all, let's get into it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Okay, so I'm sure as you all can already see, these are my florals on the side. I'm gonna call these like the greenery, the accent pieces, but the star of the show is the poinsettias. How do y'all say it? Poinsettias, poinsettias. How do you say it? But anyway, poinsettias, that's how I've always said it. But I'm gonna put all of my accent pieces over there. But we have some of the beautiful white ones. And then we have a couple of gold ones. And the gold ones are larger. So I have already done off camera, I have already gone ahead and cut them because they were super, super long. And I'm probably gonna let my camera come up a little bit so y'all can see. Okay, so y'all can see what we're doing here. So y'all see how it's doing this right here? So that's why I put the bags in there so it don't do that so much. It'll probably still do it, but once I get all my florals in here, then I'll have some control over it. So I wanna start off by putting the gold ones in here. And I want them to kind of like be in the back. I could have used another bag, to be honest with you. But anyway, those are the gold ones that I have in here. So I want to add the white ones. And I've had these white ones, y'all. They've been inside the bin, all smushy, mushy, mushy, smushy. So I want to kind of add them throughout. And I may wish I had have gotten let me unbend this. Maybe wish I had have gotten and used the styrofoam, but it's not too late. But I'm gonna try to go with my original plan here. Because I don't want it to be skimpy, I want it to be full. And I'm unbending it because it's bent up. So it's looking kind of wild, y'all. It's looking kind of wild. Let me step back at this. Do I like it? Nope. Y'all know if I don't like something, I am going to say it. I'm going to tell it. So y'all hold tight. Let me get my my wire cutters. Hold tight. Okay, I'm back with my wire cutters. So what I think I want to do is I want to cut the stems down a little bit more to make them shorter. So I think that's what I want to do. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Because that's going to change the look altogether. And I'm not a florist, y'all, so this is a do-it-yourself. Do-it-yourself floral arrangement. That's what this is. And I like that I can manipulate these stems to fold back, to fold forward. Okay, and I want to cut these down a little bit too. And I may not need to use so many of them. Or do I want to do this? Let's see. see y'all how this is gonna work. I must be transparent and say I do struggle with floral arrangements. I really do. But I want to get better with them. I really do. And I'm gonna keep chopping y'all until I get it to where I want it to be, or to where I want it to look right. I need to read up on poinsettias as well too, or not necessarily poinsettias, but floral arrangements. What is the key? What is your main goal? What are you looking for in creating your floral arrangement? That's what I want to know. Because your girl is struggling with this one now. I ain't even gonna feel to you. I'm not gonna feel to you at all now. I'm gonna let you know that I'm struggling over here. Okay, we got one more to add, and then we need to accent it with our greenery. Okay, so it's looking better than what it was originally, y'all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to add my greenery pieces. I do have the greenery from the leaves. I do have that, but I'm gonna add some more greenery pieces to give it a little bit more full, natural look here, okay? All right, thank y'all so much for trusting the process and being patient. Trust me, y'all, when I come back, it's gonna be right, y'all. It's gonna be right, it's gonna be tight, right and tight. All right, y'all. All right, love bugs, I am back with the reveal. So I have done something totally different, and I'm gonna tell y'all what I did differently. And if you know At Home with Lisa, you know that I will change things. So that's why I always say, be patient, trust the process, y'all. So I did take away the gold poinsettias. I took those away, okay? Because they were just too big for the container that I was using. And then the white ones I did use, but I did trim them off a little bit more because of the height of the planter that I was using, okay? So are y'all ready? Are y'all ready for this reveal? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready for this reveal? Are y'all ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for this reveal? All right, y'all, here we go. All right, you all, this is the reveal. This is my DIY poinsettia floral arrangement that I have created for you guys on today. This is what it looks like. It really came a long way from what I started with. I just used the white poinsettias and then I just added the greenery as I told you guys previously. So I just have it on a stand in the family room, and Haley suggested that I put it there. But this is what it looks like, you guys. I think it turned out okay. And then I had the greenery just falling down looking like a vine. So I think it looks okay. So this is the arrangement, you guys. This is what it's looking like. I hope you guys like it. I think I fixed it enough where I like it. So again, I decided to take the gold poinsettias out and just to use the white. I just thought it was just overpowering the arrangement, so that's why I took it out. And I did cut the stems off a little bit more on the white poinsettias. And also too, the other thing that I did was I took all of the leaves off of the off of the stems. I took all the leaves off because that was causing an issue for me as well too. And then it was just looking real gaudy as well. So yeah, I took that off. But anyway, you all, this is my DIY poinsettia floral arrangement. I think it turned out okay. It didn't look too bad, y'all. Y'all be nice down in the comment section. But if you would have done something differently, I would love for you to share that with me, because it could help me in the future. Just because I do home decor, I like decorating, it doesn't mean that I know everything, because I don't. But anyway, y'all, thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to go over and check out Design with Emma and Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle.